And now get you a fundamental view on the market. Big Boss joining us live on the show. Ashu Madan, COO of Religare Securities, joins us on Street View at lunch. Ashu, afternoon. Thank you so much for sparing the time for this interview. It's been a while since you joined us on the show. What's your sense? So much has changed in the last month and a half or so. Do you think for the year end now we are comfortably looking at a Nifty target of 6,000 plus?
Currently, where we are poised, I think anything is possible because the kind of liquidity market we have seen, it is not that this is the first time we have seen this phenomena that once the liquidity flows are strong and we are ahead of the fundamentals. So I don't think so there is anything to nurse our doubt, because important was the trend reversal. Once the trend has reversed, I don't think so it was for such a short term that in next 30 days things will get reversed further. So I think the only point currently one has to be cautious about is after the sharp run up, there could be some consolidation at a higher level, though the bias is still positive, but I think the next cue would come from the election and budget. So till then there would be a stock specific movement and not much fireworks expected on Nifty or index. So and there could be one situation where we feel that when we see the next for a few days, it could be a very small range of the market, contrary to the expectation that since expiry is there, so there would be some amount of fireworks. I think considering the open interest and the overall situation in the market, I mean the way it has run up and on the many individual stock side, people have not been able to participate. So all said and done, I think people are waiting to get into the market, so there could be buying at dips. But I think at these levels, one must exert some account of caution and wait for the next cues for the market.
Ashu, where do you think the market is going to take its next cues from? You did talk about the budget, but do you think the RBI rate and monetary stance from here onwards, and more importantly, the policy action that we will see this budget is going to be something which will provide further direction to the markets from the current juncture?
Yes, certainly, Aisha. I mean, normally when the market is down and the sentiment is bad, I mean, the sword which is hanging is always on the negative side. But this time, I mean, it is a very pleasant that there could be a interest rate cut. So this sword is hanging, which is on the positive side. So there could be a positive trigger. That's why I'm saying that there could be a phase of consolidation, but the bias is definitely positive. And to play this budget and to play the next event, I think if somebody has to play the index, covered call strategy is the best strategy to play at this point in time.
Ashu, let's talk about sectors. And the one sector that's beginning to look good after a long time is the power space, in the back of some serious reforms that the government seems to be pushing. Even today, we have some of the top power CEOs meeting top officials in the PMO. What's your sense going forward in the next 12 months? Do you think the power pocket is likely to outperform?
Not outperform, but one could be pleasantly surprised by the movement, because see, it also falls into the bracket where the expectations are very low, and it's as far as sectoral themes are concerned, it is in the strict no-no list of most of the people. So I think if in this kind of a market, high beta and all these stocks or sectors which was bruised, battered or beyond recognition have outperformed. And I think so with that, in that context, you would see some positive, not on a sustained period it could outperform, but for a short while there could be a spike in the spurt which could be an outperformance, which could lead to some outperformance. So I think the worst looks to be over for this sector. As I said, it is under-owned in the many in the list of many, so there could be some surprise movement.
Ashu, what do you think is going to drive the next lap of the rally from here? Because most people seem to be betting on rate sensitives, in particular banks.
Obviously this policy decision is one, political stability could be another, because all said and done, if we look back a couple of years back, election result was the biggest game changer what this market was, market got from the center. And post that, I mean, somewhere the reforms lost our way. So all said and done, it never happened on the expected line. So I think that some kind of stability coming out of these election results could lead to a one spurt in the market. And obviously budget is a big event. I feel that unlike in past many years, this time it would be some event which could lend us trigger. Unlike in the many past years, it turned out to be a non-event thing. So I think all these put together, there could be some surprises in for the market.